Arrive here in Holiday Inn Hotel sa center mismo sa Telebisi. So we will be staying here for 2 nights. Ayan si Carol pagod, Kuya Tyler, and then actually ito yung toilet nila. Okay. So, getting ready lang kasi free time namo karon. So, we will walk around the city. How was the flight, guys? Ha? Okay lang. Change og footwear na si Carol.
Change into boots na.
Ay di kaya ang bugnaw. Tara na. Ready to go out na. Free time na mo karon, so pwede mi maggala-gala sa city. Imong bonnet in full gear na kay bugnaw kayo. First day. Tara, let's go out. So, ito po yung lobby ng hotel namin.